Your cat! Can't stop! It's very unprofessional!
Yeah, whatever. Morning. Oh, so we started a bit late today. Anyway, so Spy and Qs are popping up today. Pre-market got bounced by the yesterday's low. Let's see what we get today. Yesterday was 2 up, red, but still 2 up. And today may reclaim back what it was yesterday. It really doesn't matter. What the case that where we open and in which direction. JNG, we are topped at the 200 moving average. It is a bit long. I don't trust it. Okay, we got a 212. Okay, SOXLN. So let me see. But almost never, and that's the way that we talk these days. Almost never use Schwab. Like today's Schwab is, I'm bullish, but no, I'm going to do with it. I'm going to remove Schwab, CHP, and also I don't need this line. Soxley. What's the company's name? Soxley. Direction. What a name. Whatever, bro. Fastly. Yep. Moon. Yep. Facebook. Well, voila. Facebook today is bullish. It's come at all-time low, and we have a 3. But the thing is that yesterday it was huge, okay, and we have a long pullback. After this, it's normally a small candle, but contrary. But anyhow, not for me. JD became a 3 continuation, not a fan. Voila. Okay, so we have a contrary signal on. I don't think so. Let's say what's that? $20. Yeah, if it today runs its full course. Today, if we can. What is it? Come on, bruh. Sorry. This line is a very crucial line. So what's that? Easy. If it runs its course, the wick will go red. The wick will go red, and yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna keep it in the short list anyway. Buzzing with the music. Right, looking at the screener now. Right, so up. What's up with Jim? What's up, bro? Mara looks good. Actually, I'm going to add volume back to daily. I want to see that volume. Let's see what's going on. All right, let's go. Let me save this thing. Oh, sorry. Unintentional. So, actually, I like them. Who has volume? Nobody. Oh, Appa. Appa is the only one with volume in pre-market. So mRNA, CCJ. Actually, I prefer TZA than CCJ. TZA. NEM is good too. Okay, now NEM or STW. Let's see. Well, frankly, TCJ is just ranging. I will change it itself a little. Oh, come on. Meh. I don't want even half CCG. Oops. A pullback wouldn't be bad for this thing. Can I be open? Let's go, baby. Falling from the cliff. Don't chop. Hello. Woo! Look at this. Let's see how it holds. 80 on this thing. $0.60. Godspeed. $0.60 spread. Ah. Oh man, look at this. He bricked me out and then bricked. I always have the rule of to stay behind the two candles at the important level, but I should have stayed down below. And this thing didn't work well either. I mean, my entry was here. I was hitting it here, but it filled me up there. What's the size of something that I don't understand? Why just $5? I will be soon shorting this thing. Maybe the max it gets up here and then, but this is short for me. Nem. Nem, 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 nem. The only one that is working best, like what I wanted, is XLOL. If it doesn't take me out, I will run this thing for the rest of the day. I'm already full positive. I took 1/3 out, and the 1/3 put me in 2 hours already. It's not going. This is dangerous. The highest volume. No, it's a punchy volume though. It may be a little bit of reversal. Okay, this is a go-go. Yeah, good. Buyers come in. Let's go, baby. This is a dangerous candle. Whatever crap that this motherfucker is dangerous. Look at it. It doesn't have size. It doesn't move, but it has size. There you go. I'm adding 30% and at the same time putting my stuff right below, and I'm going to run it to R4. Okay, 75, 4. I can it's not going, right? When it doesn't go, fuck Nemo with your move. Yeah. I'm sensing a reversal. I hope that it doesn't take me out. It would be these are heavy ads, huh? Ooh, bro. If this pulls back up. Man. Did you just close from 5R to 3R? This ad was ugly. with a pullback. Volume comes in, this thing goes green, and then we run it to the upside. Oh, God knows how much I want this thing to go green. I mean, alright, we got 3. I would love this thing reaches above here like around 42. And I go back up again, no worries. Mesaj depois. Well, I'm done for the day. It went up 6 hours, but then it pulled back because I added. It pulled back and hit my fucking trailing stop. Yeah, and that's it. Done for the day. You don't need to sit and listen to music and watch me. It's over. I'm not gonna touch this thing. So this is what happened. Look at that. Consolidation, boom. I got my share. Then I got in, okay, here. I didn't like the consolidation. There was one signal to go long here, but I didn't like this shadow. So, oh, hold on a second. Let me just fix something here. Volume of price. Alright, so you can see that here is the highest volume of the day. It broke out of it. I want to break free. I want to break free. God knows I want to break free. Yeah, that's not. So it broke out, and then after it broke out, the volume came in. You can see it gradually increases volume. This is a little bit inconsistent. I didn't like this doji with high volume. I wish this one was not that high, because you can see that there was the gradual volume increase. So I recognize that my initial entry should be here, but I didn't get it because the volume VPOC was there. I wish VPOC was lower than this. It was around here. If it was, I would get it right down here, but it didn't. So it just moved up, and then 30%, 9%. Then I added 30%, then I added 30%, then I set my break even down here. That with the first reversal I got. So at the peak of my position, I got to 5.9 R, 5.9 R, but down here because of this ad, I closed it with 2.5 R. Then we had a little bit of shit show here. Like there was, I got one loss down here, and let's do this. So we are still like this, and I got one loss down up here, and then after here I got in, and I wish I got in with more, but no, I just got it with half size. And then I just made okay, the last trade is 0.3 R. This position is half a R, this position 0.3 R, and then that's it. This one was one trade. CCJ, I called it long. It is long, but look at this. This is what made me think not to touch it at all. And until like even 9:46, we were still inside of that candle. All right, so it broke and it gradually kept going. It's stuck up there. This took all of the market juice. STOW was on my long list. I hit my what's this name? Touch portal twice. It didn't work. I want to go long up here with the stop down here, but to go long, and then you can see that how beautiful it would work. At the time, it would look like this. All right. So here is the highest volume. Still would keep going, and this would be my red signal to get out, which it still went higher, but that way my red signal to just be careful, and then it kept going, and then eventually fell down, and it's trying to pull back up now. You can see it down here what it's doing. So this is the pure reversal. Look at this dojo. It's just what you're even waiting for. Stop down here, just let it run. Look at this. It's a pure 122 bullish rev. It's gonna be a PMG today, just gonna rip just to the sky. I could go in. No, I don't like it. It's a little bit iffy. What's the spread on this thing? Why ATR 60 cents is showing up on my list? Weird. Anyway, so TCA, TCA, this is what I did. It was the first candle I didn't get in. Look at this. The first candle I didn't get in. The second candle, the volume dropped. The third candle, still the volume dropped. I really didn't like it. Although I started to go long, I hit it long around here. So it still keep going. I wanted to keep my stop down here, but this one was the full R. I didn't want to risk it, otherwise I would keep going with this one. So it hit me, I hit my stop and then pulled back. Look at this, 75 and 45, 30 cent move. And my stop was 10 cents. So it would be 3R move. This one, actually my stop was at 70. My take profit was 70. And yeah. NEM. Voila. NEM I didn't like this needle. And then this should have been to the upside. Bullish, but it didn't work out. Say you have a 2-1-2 bullish to the upside, and you can see how beautiful it moved. Obviously 40 to 10, 30 cents. Stop would be hit, yeah, here, right here, yeah, exactly, 70, right here. Yeah, anyway, this one was named that didn't take it, SOXL. It didn't do what I wanted. I was expecting this to become a short to the downside. I would hit it to the short side, but it didn't. It went to the upside. I could go long, but I didn't. And the wick went green. The wick was red. Especially the 2-1-2 bearish. It still has, we'll see, you can still see around 2 p.m. that what's gonna happen. Moderna, it did what I wanted to do. I didn't get involved because the pull back to the upside was a little bit strong. I just wanted this thing to happen, come here and then falls from here. But look at the gap up. This was a no move for me. It was a beautiful long though. Look at this. You can open here and you just ride it to $49. What I didn't like that the stop that the spread was 50 cents. 50 cents. No. And the bitch of all, I try not to fall in trap. I call this a dead move. Look at this. The market went up, low volume, actually no volume, then it fell. Look at this. Then it fell. After it fell on increased volume, on the break of this candle I got in. What I didn't know that the volume didn't reach, because I used my left screen. On the left screen I didn't recognize this low volume method that even at the same level. And then it pulled back. My stops should have been here, but I didn't move it and I kept the HOD. It should have just got out instantly. And you can see that it didn't move to the upside and now it's coming back down. My idea was that if it touches the, yes, this goes, I short it. SPY. SPY just did this hammer, it fell and then it kept going. I wanted to hit it, but the volume never came in. Actually, and then it came down here, which was the yesterday's close. Obviously, that's the place I want to be in before the level break. But it didn't happen. I didn't get the pullback, and this pullback I got it on TQQ. We have one successful signal, two successful signals here. You can see one here, another here, three. This is a fake count, 4 anyway. And that's it. Qs, yeah. So Qs, they did that move. I didn't like it because SPY was dropping and this one was going higher. So I thought, yeah, there's indecision going on. Let them synchronize. Then after SPY kicked back in to go to the upside, and SPY was here. Like it moved almost half of the way that it went. Almost all of the way that it went down. It came back up. So I just call this one, yeah, let's go long. The good long would have been up down here on the break of this level. On the break of this level here to go in the stop down here. One more maximum down here. Then my stop was down here. I moved. I got 6. I added on the 6, or I shouldn't have added up there. The place to add was around here. To add and to set my stop down here. But I didn't like that this was doji with this was doji up here. I like that this was continuation. I should have added the big add here and then let it run on that thing and then not to get in. Anyway, that was it for today, and the market's still going to the upside. You can see it's still green. Both SPY and no, SPY is red now. SPY went red again. Anyway, look at this. TCA, the one that I called long and I went long on. Look at this. For me personally, after this drop, this wouldn't work out well. But then here is a signal to go in. Then I would get out. Up here, it's almost 0. Then above VWAP, when the day is fully green again, above VWAP, there wouldn't. This signal would be to go in pre-market, and then look at that. This is a 30-cent move with a 10-cent stop. Also, this one that I didn't get in, like you see down here, get the nasty volume, long volume, but it didn't go anywhere. I think that this means that all of the shorts are covering, I guess, but it didn't go anywhere, so it's not actually a real buy. Look at the level too, for God's sake. And then yeah, that's it. So far, HOD is the place with the highest volume. No, yesterday's close is the highest volume. So everyone that they went short below yesterday's close, they closed their shorts and it didn't go positive, negative on them. So that's why the price is just ripping. Even here, like you can see on low volume, it's ripping because no one is actually involved. Here's the ABCD as they call it, and yeah, that's it. That's not much more into it. Yeah, it was a good day. Next week I go full size in full throttle. I go in. It's the next month. It's a new month. New deal? No, it's gonna be the same deal with the same strategy. Have a good one.